Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to see the banking and finance, which is an important parts of our drugstore and business management. Myself, Mr. Sachin Kolde from KK Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nasik. Banking is the backbone of commerce and industry. A bank is a comprehensive term for a number of institutions carrying on certain kinds of financial business, dealing in money. It buys and sells the small money in the same way as a trader buys and sells the good for a profit. Similarly, bank buy money from depositors and sell that is lended to the borrowers. Besides that, banks also provide the facility for exchange and transmissions of funds etc. Likewise, the trade banking is also work on a profit. They will accept the deposit from the depositors and lend it to the borrowers on high interest rate. They will give the low interest rate to the depositors and getting the higher interest rate from the borrowers, and that is the profit for that. That is the profit for a bank. That's how the bank will getting the profit. In India, banking systems carried on both the indigenous as well as the western lines. Under the indigenous systems, a Seth, Mahajans, Mania or Saukar acts as a banker. Under the western system, the Reserve Bank of India controls all the commercial bank, saving banks, cooperative banks, industrial exchange bank. These are the systems in our India. There are the indigenous and western systems. In indigenous, there are the Saukar Seth. They will give the money to the needy persons and they will charge the high interest rate. And under the Reserve Western system, there are the control of Reserve Bank of India. After independent banking in India began grow very rapidly. Types of banks. This is the types of bank: commercial, savings, land development, cooperative, industrial exchange, and mixed bank. Commercial bank. The term commercial banks refers to a financial institution that accept deposit, offers checking account service, makes variables loan, saving account to the individual and small business, perform other functions like providing finance, trade, commerce, transferring the money. These are the functions, these are the services which are providing by the commercial banks, like to open the saving accounts, to accept the deposit, to transfer the money, to exchange the money, or to accept the bill. These are the various kinds of services they will give to their customer. These are the functions: accept deposit. The bank takes the deposit from the saving current account, fixed deposit, surplus balance collected from the firm individual, lend to the temporary required, provides the loans. Another criteria functions of this bank is to offer the loans and advances interfinance. These are the loans which will give the customers. Also, overdraft facility. It is an advance given to the customer by keeping the current account or overdraft given the limit. They fix the limit to their customers on their current accounts and they will charge the interest on that money. Discounting bills of exchange. It is a written agreement acknowledging the amount of money to be paid against the goods purchased at the given point of time at the future. The amount can also be cleared before the quoted time through the discounting method of commercial bank. Cash credit. Under these schemes, the bank fixes a limit up to which the customer may borrow the money from it against some security. Miscellaneous service. It buys and sells the share, bond, debenture on behalf of customer. It accepts the customer valuable articles such as jewelry, securities, shares. It collects the interest on securities and shares belonging to its customers. It accepts pay bills, provides assistance and also advice to regarding the investment. Saving bank, a financial institution that receives the saving account and pays the interest on depositor. The main aim of saving bank is to encourage the habit of thrift among the people to be able to save the money from their various future need. Land development. This is the land mortgage bank. This will give the loan to the farmers or the loan to the farmers or the people who will give the land as a mortgage to the bank. They are also called as the land mortgage bank. These banks have the setup, provide the long-term credit to the farmers reasonable rate of interest. The recovery of loan is made in the very easy installments spread over the number of years. These banks were established in India before independence. Cooperative bank. These banks are organized on the principle of cooperation. These banks collect their capital by selling shares to the public and accepting this deposit from their member and also receive the loans grant from the government. Central cooperative bank. They are organized as follows: primary credit society, district central cooperative bank, state cooperative bank, industrial bank. These are the purpose of this bank: to provide the long-term loan to the industrial concern. The government of India has set the number of such institutions of provide the loan to the industrial concern. These are the Industrial Finance Corporation of India, National Small Scale Industrial Corporation, and Industrial Development Bank of India. Exchange Bank. These banks are mainly concerned with buying and selling of foreign exchange and forwarding the finance and import and export. The main functions of these banks are they help to transfer the foreign exchange arising out of the international trade through the bills of exchange. They perform the hedging functions where the exchange rates are involved. It is done when the conversion from currency to the other is subject to fluctuation in value. They also provide the finance to the domestic trade and perform the several other functions associated with the commercial bank. They provide the credit by discounting of bills exchange so as to enable the importer to take the possession of goods. Mixed bank. These mixed banks represent the mixture of commercial and industrial bank. The main aim of commercial bank is to provide the short-term finance, while the industrial bank provides the long-term finance for the industry. As such, mixed bank provides the facility for both the finance of short-term and long-term finance to the industry concerns. Import Bank of India. The Exim Bank of India was launched on 1st January 1982 with the object of promoting the finance facility for export and import trade. These are the various types of banks in India. Thank you so much. And this is the important parts of our trust and business management. When we are going to start the business, that times we need the capital. For that purpose, we have to go to the banks to take the loan to start our own business. Thank you so much.